About to hit 30,000 miles on the 2019 Jeep Renegade. This is the limited edition. I just noticed when I was leaving the gas station, whenever I did a delivery and setup for them, and I was like, hey, look, the mileage is going to change, so I figured I might get it on camera. And don't worry, the phone is on the GPS mount, so let's see if we actually get it on camera. So I have another stop I have up here, so up this 29,999. From time to time you'll see car videos on here too, because I'm also interested in cars. Most of the videos are dedicated towards technology, but there are going to be some car ones on here sometimes. Red light, so I'll wait for that. There's the red light. So entertaining. It's green.
In 1,000 feet, use the left lane to turn left onto Great Oaks Trail.
GPS, nice. None of that came through on camera. $30,000, there we go.